Hello and namaste everyone, it's your boy Binay Tamang back with a new video again, and today I am going to show you how to pour a heart design in latte art. Okay, first of all I have took my milk inside the pitcher and now I am going to extract my espresso. For this latte art pattern I am going to use double shot of espresso and I am going to use 240 ml cup for the latte art. Now I'm extracting my espresso. Now I'm going to froth my milk. To froth, you just have to go all the way middle in the pitcher like this, and to create that swirl or vortex you just have to till a little bit. Now open your steam wand slowly and look for that irritation. Okay, now my steamed milk is ready. You can see the silky milk foam. There you go. Now I'm going to transfer it in another pitcher. This is my professional pitcher, 600 ml. And while pouring a heart design in a latte art, you have to fill it halfway up of the cup. Now stop and start it with the center. Keep pouring up and cut. Here is a beautiful heart design you can make easily at your cafe. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.